just started barking. Okay, alright. So, those of you that are hopping on, I'm going to also show some of the jewelry that I showed you guys yesterday. I'm just going to wait for people to hop on. If you guys don't mind to like and comment. Do you guys want to see yesterday's jewelry or do you want to see some more? Let me know. Let me know. Ah, like my contact is like, I don't know who else wanted to hop on to this live. I can show you guys yesterday's jewelry, which is right back here. I still need to get to a display to show you all like what I have. But I do also have other jewelry that I can also show you guys if you don't want to see yesterday's. But yeah, just waiting. Just waiting. Well, let me know if anyone is wanting to see yesterday's jewelry. I'm going to show some more for today. So this is a long necklace. You can actually double this up if you'd like to. This is going to be number 33, you guys, number 33. A long necklace, and this is what it looks like. It has this like really gold braxy rhinestone. And then it comes with your complimentary earrings as well. They're the fish hook earrings, and it has like these really pretty dangles as well. But long necklace, and you can easily like double it up. So this is what it's gonna look like. Number 33, you guys. Ugh, excuse me. Poor George is like not feeling the very best. I feel bad for that kid. Like he is teething up the wazoo. Alright. Number 34, you guys. These are tree ring circus rose gold earrings. Super pretty. And then also fish hook back earrings as well. This will be number 34. Make sure that you guys comment the number that you guys would like to see. I already did 33 and then also just 34, which are these. If you guys want to see some of yesterday's jewelry, it's just right back here. So just make sure you give me a number and I'll just show it to you guys in a little bit, or just now. Whichever one. Whichever one. Alright. This is a really pretty necklace. This is number 35, you guys. And this has the complimentary earrings. And then, of course, it has a layered long necklace. And then it has like these little pretty dangles. Really pretty. But it's really long, as you guys can tell. I'm not feeling wearing the nice shirts today. I'm just going to wear my aunt shirt because, you know, I'm just not feeling it. It's been a long day. Very long day. Alright, so this is number 35, you guys. Number 35, if anyone is wanting to have this one, make sure that you guys type in the number that you guys are wanting to have. I just started this live, obviously, so I'm not gonna, don't have a lot of products showing. Number 35. Alright. Hey Dora. Number 36, you guys. Number 36. Earrings with the purple beads. And then it has the purple and silver beads. And then they're also textured as well. But yeah. It'll just come up to like this. That would be really cute with like one of those flowy shirts. Flowy. Who knows what I'm talking about. Alright, so that is number 36. If anyone is wanting to see any of the numbers that I showed you guys yesterday, please comment the number that you'd like to see and I will bring them out. It's just right behind me. But yeah, like I said, this is number 36. If anyone is wanting to have any of the numbers, so far I've shown 33, 34, 35, and 36. It is like stuff. Alright, you guys, this is number 37. It is like a long gold like ring. I don't know how you want to explain that. It doesn't even have like the thing on there. But it has the complimentary earrings, which are super cute. They're all fishhook earrings. And then, of course, it comes up to like right here. This would be really cute with a black shirt. A black long shirt. But it has the double chains. And then the O's. I guess that's what you want to call it. The O's. Hey! I am tired. What's up? So that is number 37. So I had, like, for some whatever reason, I don't even know. I was actually looking up I wouldn't say my old sponsor because technically I didn't even start with her. I started with a friend of mine and then she stopped. So then I automatically went to her sponsor. And then I wouldn't even know who I would have gone to when, okay, so that sponsor, she passed away like the beginning of COVID or in the middle of COVID, during the summer, I think. And I realized, I didn't even realize until just now, we have the same number cards. And I'm like, wow, what are the odds? What are the odds? Like, seriously, what are the odds of, like, getting the same number cards? I don't even know. It's insane. Alright, number 38. And I don't know why I got this. I think it's because of the purple. And it has the complimentary earrings. But, yeah. I think it's because of the purple. I really like the purple. And it's also like the double chain right here. And it's also adjustable. It's a short necklace. It would help if I get it even. But this is number 38, you guys. Man, I'm really tired. George, he's been teething up the wazoo. Well, he's been teething since my mom's funeral. Or has a cold since my mom's funeral. sucks. That sucks. We've been having a rough time in this house. A rough time. You know, Stephanie, I actually was looking on the website to see like if there was any like same items or anything, and I'm like, I don't see any of the same items at all on the websites anymore. Like none. Maybe similar almost, but just not, they're not the same. It's weird. Really weird. Alright, I had to untangle this. This is number 39, and I actually have quite a few of these, mainly because of the feather. What's up, Susie? Girl, I have your bag. And then it also comes with the complimentary earrings. It has the fishhook earrings as well. And green beads. I had red ones. I don't know where they went. I know I have stuff here still, but I just don't know where they went. So this one has the green bead, and also the second layer has a green bead. And they are layered, but they come like right here under the bust. That is number 39. I know I have like a red one in here, or somewhere. I just don't know where. Because I don't know why I stopped. I literally I stopped. It's crazy. You guys let me know if you guys want to see any of the others that I had shown on my live for yesterday. They're right there for now. I'm sorry for the baby thing right here. If no one wants to see that, I can block it. Apparently no one wants to be on here today. It's the holiday. Who would? I don't know why I'm on there. There's nothing to do right now. Alright, you guys, this is number 40. Number 40, this is a Sahara Sparrow. No, that's not right. Okay, so this is a white beaded set here. It is layered, super pretty, very good for out of the night sort of thing. It has like a hook. I haven't seen these either. But you can put your badge on here if you'd like, and it has the white beads right like that. Super cute though. Super cute. Oh, I don't think you guys want my hair. So yeah, it is very long. Make sure that you guys comment below if you guys are wanting to see the numbers of yesterday. I would love to show you all like what I also have. I don't know why I did that. So that is number 40, you guys. I think that's the... I'm just going to show you that much. And I will not be here on... I will not go live tomorrow, but I will go live probably on Wednesday. And I'll show you guys these pieces that I've shown you. And then also the pieces that I just showed you today. That will be on Wednesday. So make sure that you guys comment below what numbers you guys want to see again, or comment below and tell me like what pieces you'd like to have so I can put your items in your bags. Please help me out if you guys can. Alright, I will talk to you guys all later. Sorry, no makeup. Wasn't feeling it. I didn't even put on mascara. But, yeah. Alright, you guys have a good day.